So it will be our first step named Mary J. So we will start from the leg movements. Just take this angle and do this step. 1. It will be counting 2, 3 and double. One more time with other side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And add little bounce like this. Bounce with your knees like this. 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll do little practice. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Don't forget to do bounce like that. Now hand movements, just do like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, like this. It will be cross, open, cross and open. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is the main hand movements. Now we'll do with leg movements. It look 1 like this, then 2, 3 and same side 4. Same with other side. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and switch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now little fast. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. So this was our first step. So this is our second step named SAMFORD. So we will start from the leg movements. Take this position and out your one leg and tap down like this. Tap, tap, and your leg will be straight like this, like lock. Don't lose your leg. Leg will be locked like this, and tap down with force and put your whole body weight on your leg like this, which we tap down. Right, now do this. Take your one leg out and make a circle like this, and your second leg gonna twist like this, like this. It will be our counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, you can do this variation to 1 down, 3 down, 5 down, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This was our leg movements. Now we will learn hand movements. Just roll your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, and it will be on our tap movement. Now take your second leg on your chest and make circle with same step. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Same with other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now do little fast. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it was our practice step. Now we will do our main step with these hand movements. and it will be variation 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now fast. So it was our today's lesson. We will meet on our next lesson. Till then, keep dancing. Bye.